guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, as promised from my last video, today is carpet restoration day. Here's what I got going on. Carpet is out. Well, so are my rear speaker grills and speakers. But yeah, here is what this car looks like underneath the carpet. I'm actually, not that I was expecting any big surprises, but I'm really excited with how clean these floor pans are. I know there's probably a lot of you watching going, man, I wish I had those floor pans. But yeah, this is what, well, I guess the guts of a interior look like without carpet in it. Right, so today I have the assistance of my eldest. She's going to be helping me with the cleanup of this carpet. And now what we're going to be doing is pressure washing it. I'm going to try and get everything out of it that I can with the pressure washer. And then I'm going to hit her with the good old-fashioned pink solution again. And some elbow grease and a brush. And just really try to get down deep in it. I think this is the best method that I've been able to find. I've used carpet cleaners and what have you in the past, but this gets like every square inch and I think gets as deep as you can possibly get. And then, well, you guys won't have to wait for it. I will. I'm going to dry it and then we're going to paint it or dye it, however you want to refer to it. Pink solution.
What's pink solution?
You don't want put some on there. You want to do that?
Oh.
Okay. We're just going to scrub it in.
Okay. Yeah, the other side.
This is where your feet sit when you drive.
Oh, yeah.
Right. Okay, guys. So here we go. I got my paint. Now, I got to tell you. I mean, LMR and their infinite wisdom, all they do is put their part code on here. Which, I mean, you know, you can figure that out, I guess. But why not give you some sort of indication what color this is? Because I did order two colors. I got a white and I got a red. Now, obviously, you can just do a quick little test spray, but like, yeah. My little gal here, my 5-year-old, she's out here with me and she goes, Dad, why are you painting that black? It's actually a very valid question. I'm not, but LMR gives you a black lid. Well, this is good. The wind decides to pick up. So I'm doing this outside my house because I'm at home today on a day off. And I've got this carpet of mine hung from my upper patio. So here is what things look like before. So you can see I've got all kinds of fading in here, right? This car spent a lot of time outside in the sun. And anything that was covered, right? Here's your console. Is nice and dark. But anything that was exposed to the sun just got smoked. So we're going to give it a run. And as I mentioned, guys, I've never done this before. I've just heard of people doing it, so we'll give it a try and see what happens. Stand by.
Why do you want to do this? I have a flower root.
All right, guys, here's the final product. So now you can probably see there's still a little bit of a difference here, right, between where the console sits and where there is carpet exposed, but it was like literally orange. I don't know if that showed up in the other video, but in person, yeah, it looked like orange. So this is a very, very, very far cry from where it was, especially along these sill plates. You can still see a little bit of a line as to where it was faded versus where it was covered from the sun. But yeah, overall, I mean, for a $20 can of paint, not bad. Once I get all the interior panels on this, I don't think you'll be able to tell at all. So now, if you're anything like me, you're probably wondering to yourself, does that leave the carpet like crispy? And it, truthfully, it doesn't. Like it still feels like that sort of old 90s gritty carpet. Like there's no roughness to it. There's no difference in roughness from what it was before painting. So I'll probably maybe go over it with a bit of a like a tire brush or something, just to loosen up anything. But I don't know, from what I can tell, like it just feels like it did before I painted it. So now I guess the next thing will be is how well it stands up, but there you go. Okay guys, so here's a little sneak peek of how it looks back in the car. I don't have my console or anything back in. You can definitely see there's a contrast between the two, but I'm not too worried about it because the console is going to obviously cover all that up. But this, I don't know if it's shows up all that well. I mean, it might look a little orangey to you guys, but you'll have to take my word on it. It's red. Way more red than it once was. So yeah, and there it is, contrasting against one of the nice new clean seats. So all of this is coming back together, slow and steady, but we should be rocking and rolling here in no time. Okay guys, well thanks very much for watching. If you think this video can help someone in the Foxbody community, or any other community for that matter, I mean, carpet's carpet, really, you could send it to a buddy that's reworking an old iRock or something. But please feel free, send it along, share it. That's why I do these videos, just trying to help out the automotive community. So thanks a lot for tagging along, guys. I look forward to any questions or comments you may have, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care. Bye for now.